In this section, we're talking about ceiling mounting. Earlier in this course, I demonstrated how to install these plus nuts to these roof ribs. So we can have an area, or we can have a bolt pattern to actually bolt these guys to your ceiling. And what's really nice about using these bolts is they're super strong. It's gonna hold your ceiling up, no problem. And then you have this nice wide surface of 1/2-inch Baltic birch to be able to drive screws into. So you're not putting, just screws into your sheet metal. Overall, this creates a super, super strong ceiling and a very clean looking ceiling. How we bolt these things on is we use 1/4-20 bolts and then a nice big fender washer to really spread the surface area and create a better hold. We also use Loctite. Once you get your ceilings up, you don't really want to have to take a bunch of stuff down, especially if you're using T&G or anything like that. That can be extremely problematic. So a little bit of Loctite on your bolts and then tighten them in there. They don't need to be very tight. It's like 12, 15 foot-pounds of torque. So don't over tighten them. You don't want to strip them out. And then once they are up there, you can go ahead and drive screws directly into these guys. We're going to demonstrate that when we put our ceilings up. Very, very simple, but it's in my opinion, the only way to do it.